convention, and she had promised them heaven and earth before the convention. Nigerian government have already mapped out huge sums of money for this sabotage. The sabotage did not start by that December or November. No. So that is why you see these people, the way they are speaking, it was as if, they have been with Ngozi Orabueze for a very long time. And yes, actually, they have been with her in a very long time, but pretending to be with us, while Ngozi Orabueze was pretending to be fighting along with us. This is actually, I think this is actually how it is, because for the love of me, I can't understand why reasonable people, with all the red flags around Ngozi Orabueze, these people are still flocking towards her. Very, very unfortunate. When you look at what happened to at least Otunwa Mwanya, that he was taking, the sports ministership was taken away from him by Ngozi Orabueze and given to somebody. Yet, this same Otunwa Mwanya, it's like Ngozi Orabueze is baby napping him. And he's still swallowing that hook, line, and sinker, and still standing very strong with her. That to tell you that it did not start by December.
We should be calling this Mwanya, because when I was in their space, I witnessed that this lady they call Shanshai Bobo, when he came there, he first called Mwanya and later called him Otumwanarahona. So that Otumwanarahona going forward. And one other things I would like us to talk about is this. In their space, they are still saying that these people are in our side. That is most of the reason why I raised my hand. I wanted to ask them, in their deepest people supporting obedient and one Nigerians, where do they think these people are? And all these DOS, where did they think these people are? Because in their fundraising, we saw what they did there. This audio hand we see there. So I wanted to ask Clara Dean, where did she think this obedient, all these supporters of obedient and all these DOS, where did she think these people are? Because I see these people are just people who are, let me just say, kettle calling pot calling kettle black. That is what I just see in them. So now they want to be accusing us that obedient and DOS is now in our midst. Yet in their fundraising, we see like say they are just doing a bazaar. This thing wonder me so much. I must say it frankly speaking, it's wonder me. This is what I see playing. Pot calling kettle black. This is what they are doing there.
My brother, why would that one worry you? The whole world knows that Ngozi Orabueze and her cohort and the rest of the obedient and the one Nigerians together with the IPOB GOS, they are all on her side. The whole world is aware of that. And that is why you see that Nigerian government can call her Deputy Prime Minister of Biafra. Nigerian government can help her to announce that she is recruiting army for Biafra. So the whole world knows, my dear, you don't have to worry over that. The whole world is aware. Yes. Even the fundraising itself has already exposed them. The number of hands that you are seeing there, you have never seen them when the Prime Minister was even doing fundraising. You understand? The number of lines of hands that you are seeing with them.
Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. This is very, very funny, you know. Very, very, very funny. Anyway, I don't know the guy they called Otunwa. I would like, in fact, Otunwa, if you are watching the video, I will say congratulations to you. This is that attitude that you display that they are worried about is what I expected from Sonny and all of them. When Biafran government said step down, I'm happy they're the one revealing this because I don't even know that. I was thinking that everybody that the COS, you know, after dissolving the government, people, the new ministers, I was thinking that all of them, some of them that have held one or two posts before, are against US. Now it is clear to us that you still have people who understand that that's not how it works, that they need to respect the authority, and that is what happened. So please like this video, and let me, in fact, let me make sure that I set this live stream in order, because I don't want anyone who is not if you don't subscribe, please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Very, very important. Very, very, very important that you do. So let's continue, because they're saying that Biafrans supporting the fundraising is audio. That means that to them it means fake. Is it fake? The answer is no. It has nothing to do with the US. That's just fact. I don't calling names, painting names, and lying to you. This kind of thing, you don't need it. Be truthful to yourself, and avoid this kind of banter. It's not going to help anybody. It's not going to help anybody. I'm very, very sure about it. So let them just try their best and see if they can reset their brain. I know it is difficult for them to accept, but what can you do? Biafrans have made their choice, and the best thing you need to do is to make sure that you stand on the side of the truth. It doesn't matter. So now it is very, very, very clear to us that some people who don't even like the way they remove them from power, understand it that is in fact that is best thing to do. Do you understand? It is best thing to do. You don't need to wait until everybody is on your side. No, you don't need it. So Otunwa, I don't know you in person. I don't even know you. Maybe I'll see your picture, but I don't know you are the one that called Otunwa. So I will say congratulations to you. What you did is what I expected for them to do. Your post or your post as a minister in the government was taken away because of the betterment of the government. You don't need to wage war against government because you are no more a minister. So Otunwa, they were expecting him to join them, but Otunwa is still with US despite losing his position as a minister of sports. Coming from them, listen.
So God be the glory. It is all known to the whole world that it has never even happened once. When Prime Minister was hosting fundraising by himself. So it is obvious that these people, they are working for one Nigeria. You don't need to worry yourself about that.
To respond to that is a lie. The same Biafran that have been donating money for PM is the same people donating money now. Some of them decided to show their face now because of this katakata you guys are doing. But if you can recall, that was during all the time that Biafrans are donating money during the time of PM, you will hear that social person donate money. You don't see their picture. You don't see them coming live to raise their hands. Some of them may even call Adada Rama. They are so busy in their work, they want to donate social amount. Biafrans know what is going on. Don't take it for granted. No matter how many space you host, as long as you are doing propaganda and what you are doing is fake, it will not last. It won't last, whether you like it or not. Rose, I see you. Thank you so much for that. And some of you, Cletus, I see you. Good day, my brother. And Sean, I see you. I am only one here. You are not alone. You are not alone. We just started, okay? I did not even share this to our main platform. I just want to broadcast without sharing it. Okay? I did not share this one. So let's continue. And please, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please do me a favor and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Very, very important. I want you to subscribe so that whenever we come live like this, you will be a partaker. You will join us, and maybe if you have something to say, you have the chance to say, because this broadcast, I'm going to bring a phone number so that you can say you can tell us your own take on that. I'm trying to. Okay, let's continue. Let's go. Why are we continue to set the program? Because I have not said everything properly. Let's continue.
don't need to worry. You don't need to worry about that. We know how it works. We know how they roll. We know how they roll. And they cannot discourage us. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have always said that it takes a very few minority to bring freedom to a larger majority.
He did not say that.
You that is here is more than them that are outside there because you.
Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did not say, don't quote Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wrongly. He did not say that it takes few to bring Biafra to out. He did not say that. That's a wrong quotation. Okay? And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not, you don't use Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to this kind of nonsense. Do you think Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will back this kind of thing up? I don't know any of you, but truth must be told. You need to discuss. You need to say it the way it is. You don't need to hide or shy away from saying the truth. So most of you trying to force one or two things against on people is wrong. It is very, very, very wrong. Let me get this.
Stand on the path of truth. You see, have anybody wondered? Have you considered when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu speaks? He said that in a million years, check what is a million years. That in a million years you cannot destroy Biafra. You know what is a million years? You can't.
The man is actually talking to himself, but he don't know. You're actually talking to yourself, but you don't know.
Okay. What baffles me is this. It is now obvious that Clara Dean is there. The purpose of Clara Dean being there is for a position. Yes. I've been seeing all the whole space. She's there. I don't know which kind of position did they give her, by the way. Is she is it a minister of information or what? I don't know because all.
Yeah, it's something like that. Minister of information something. Either she's deputy to minister or minister, something like that.
But I used to see her every space they are holding now. She must be there co-hosting. She must be the one speaking. Even when they said this their defense force, the day it was on the 4th. Their defense minister. It was even the same. This Clara Dean was co-hosting and was
Why are we so bothered about these people, Clara Deans and the rest of them? We are still the same people that groom these people. Understand? For instance, Clara Dean was nobody when it comes to space hosting and making fans. When the time of university was hosting about Usoko, she wasn't anybody. When we came, we started bringing fans about Usoko. She learned from this and started making her own on Tuesday. So we're the ones that groom these people and all those things. If these people understand, we don't care about who they are. We don't care about traffic. Understand? We don't care about traffic. We don't care about the result. The end, we justify the means.
Honestly, you guys care about the result. Don't deceive people. Allow people to follow their mind, follow the truth. You understand? It's not about you don't care. Don't lie. Be honest. You care, you do care. That's why you guys are worried so much about the whole thing. And you should be worried actually. But you are the one disturbing yourself. Because if you don't disturb yourself, you wouldn't have been saying what they're saying. Try your best and stand on the side of the truth. You are still a Biafran. Nobody's taking that one away from you. But this idea of I must be the one, it must come from me, that is where I have issue with you people. That is where I have issue because it is not done that way. It is not done that way. Whether you like it or not, that's not how it is. How can you expect Biafrans to ignore the reality and start following propaganda? How? If you check the title of this video, we are coming to that. All right? We are coming to that. So just let us start with this, what I'm saying. Then some of you, if you have watched the video, though yesterday I was very tired, so I did not spend much time here. And I was kind of bored when I was very weak. So I tried to end the live stream on time. But maybe you have listed the part of where the guy called Academic Highness, where he told them to go and follow that if you had unfollowed what's the name of this handle? Biafra government defense ministry, something like that, on X, that you should go back and unfollow it. You should go back and start following them. Today, we are now receiving information that the truth is that the man himself, hacked government Twitter handle. He told them to go that they have retrieved it. They have retrieved it back. So how can you be busy hacking government Twitter handle and the government website, hacking government email address, seizing everything, and you expect Bafra to start clapping for you? A hacker leading the government, a hacker? No. These are the things that is forbidden, highly forbidden. If you are genuine, you don't need to use force. Don't use force on our people. Should you say you are genuine, right? You are the right path. Keep on doing that right path. Let's see how many people will follow you. Not by force. You don't bring people to that kind of, propaganda. It's a no-no. Personally, it's a no-no for me, and that is why we need to say it the way it is. You need to stand on the side of the truth. And let us continue.
Yes. See, I can generate traffic here, and it looks exactly as if we are all making it. No, I don't want to live fake life. Understand? Just like you see there's what we call fakedetails.com. If you go to that site, you can use it to generate anything you want to generate. You can even generate Facebook. You can even generate the WhatsApp messages as if it's Prime Minister that you're chatting with. You can generate everything you want to generate. Understand? I know these things. Understand? For security purposes, you can use it to generate companies or something. But we use it in a positive way to shield your company from invaders. Understand? So all of these things that they're doing is fake lives. The end will justify the means. We shouldn't be bothered about that. And this is what happened when Prime Minister was battling with the US. At the initial time, in one mass squad, the group, the thousands, we are all with the US. At the end, everything started depreciating. They started living. We are still in fresh. Understand? But this is Genesis. But when we get to Malachi, the whole living goes on a person. She has nothing to offer. Her head is full of empty. But except to Equara, then Aguara. When you are being influenced with what you are doing. If you're a doctor, if you're a psychiatric doctor, you'll be influenced with the mental disorder people. If you're a physician, if you are what's it called again, a neurosurgeon, you'll be influenced with that. If you are whatever thing you do, if it influences you, understand? So she has been influenced with the psychiatric patient. She shouts because she must talk loud for them to be here, for them to mellow down to you. Understand? She has been influenced with wash and work. See, the only thing I lack is body movement. If I am psychologist that read body movement, those that read body movement, I would have been telling this. That's what I never knew about in my life. So her body movement is zero. That's the opposite of what she said. Even from her mouth, the shape of everything, she that's the opposite of what she said. Her eye blinking when she speaks, that's the opposite of what she said. Understand? So let's leave everything about him because he's dead on arrival. She has no force, she has nothing. Understand? So whatever these people would fall. I heard David talking about the Tuamaya. Which one Tuamaya?
You see, imagine a space where the host, the speaker, the everything, they all share the same mentality, the same ideology. No sensible human being. You started hosting a program for Biafra issue, and all you could do there, not even a private discussion like we need to have our board, internal meeting. You are airing this thing in public, everybody can see it, everybody can watch it, and you want people to believe that you are the right path. Yet you fail to focus on what matters most, which is Biafra. all you are seeing is and you are painting all Biafrans there as fake, as they are AI. That's what you are trying to preach, that Biafran supporting CUS is AI generated. Okay, please, since you know the platform that you said that, generate it. The common thing you should have done is, since it's AI, is if COS generates let's say 3,000 view watching live, you multiply your own to 6,000 using the same platform that you claim that you know. I don't even know this is the first time I'm hearing a platform where you can generate a view and all that. I don't know about it. All of them specialize in hacking, stealing, and deceiving. That's why it is easy for them to hijack all the government website and email, dragging power with a lady. And none of them have actually debunked the fact that PM said that this cabinet will be dissolved. None of them have said this. PM did not say that. They all agree. But they are telling people who don't follow PM closely that there's something like that she don't have. Why would she dissolve the cabinet? Listen, PM, in agreement with all of them, said cabinet will be dissolved. That's what they told us. I'm not an insider. When COS group said that, and she even said it in the convention, that all of you are aware that PM said that after Bafra redeclaration, that cabinet will be dissolved. That she stand on that power on behalf of the power vested on her by PM, that she is hereby dissolve the cabinet of Bafra. And PM, they formed a group, a kind of transition government or a transition body that will facilitate the new incoming ministers, people that will continue from where they stopped. PM have made that clear. They are aware of, they know those cabinets by their names. Otunwa, they are criticizing now, was Minister of Sports. But Otunwa decided to, allow them. Excuse me. Let us continue because I need to attend to something now.
What has he contributed whenever he was coming to face? I know how many times I battled him and he made us down. He never liked me for the first time because they believe that I'm a threat. I can't, because whenever I come to speak, I can't tell any nonsense to speak. I give you facts. I don't care about what you say. So I can't be in a space you talk rubbish. I'll give the original facts. Understand? So I know what he was talking about in the middle. They have a small voice and this. I don't give a damn about these people. I thought they were going to Biafra comes with me face to face.
Brian.
Yeah.
That Otunwamoya is that guy is very, very deceptive. That guy, that guy, and he's not mad. He's not body. And there's something that you said.
I don't go waste my time about these people. Just like
yes.
When somebody come every time shouting on one thing, just like JD Walker, you always come up right. They say, "Oh, I don't have time. I'm going for work. I'm this." And now he has time now every day talking and every day. It's 24 hours.
You see,
hey, please, I'm on a mission. Give me space. Let me talk. Now from Monday to Sunday. So it's our point. I don't associate with anything that's not reality. Understand? Everything is playing out now. So who again would you go cannot go space? You see, there's something between going to the space to do a complete analysis, analyze somebody's work. What they are speaking, when we go to speak, what space to tackle them or what they're speaking about against Biafra, it's all about shouting. Can you analyze fast? Can you break it down and then bring a counter argument? No, I don't do such thing. If I want to tackle you, bring a counter argument with facts and figure. Tell you, go and search, and I'm waiting for you. I have so many of us there. Yeah, and I'm still waiting for them. Understand? I did it too. I know. Yeah, the initial time when I was coming, they were started tackling me. I was laughing. Some people say, this Brian has his voice, they started talking like a small kid. I just laugh at them. They told too many things. I just laugh at them because they working with but you don't need somebody to bring us in, to take a good. Let's say leave these people. What they can Bafra. Give me a course. What this side, I've been here with them. Who do you want to call them? They put it down here. Okay, see, this is some brother that I saw who so I saw how his music was for him. That I went and brought that. I started campaigning for him here. Even what he sang was whack. Understand? So I don't want to criticize people. But you don't just these people are just inconsequential. Understand? They have been affected. They've been infected with the same strange, with the same dose of spiritual until they understand? The thing in gynecologists that care about giving birth of women that put to bed, they also the gynecologist will know how to pamper. You know how when a woman is 2 cm, 3 cm, 8 cm, 9 cm, 10 cm, trying to give birth. All that brain are designed to all those gynecologists go out area. You will be affected with anything that concerns women that put to bed and everything about their body. Understand? So this is something that our way, a psychiatric way, has affected that mode of life, way of thinking and everything. Only deal with it. Only after night, dollar. So what you must behave like a dollar. He was now watching like that one down. So whatever thing you want to take out from music, you can then remove that moment that dollar name. So leave them. Let us focus on these things. The end will justify the means. The only problem I'm going to have one of us here is when at the end, Prime Minister will come, we will be justified, and you will turn to be showing mercy. Don't that will fire anybody that will have them to go faith. Who are they? I wanna see. This is where the rape Biafra are. Men that are very analytical, bringing history. We argue. We do that thing. That was why you were not able to be brought over. Because you know you are right from the left. You know you are left from the right. You know the truth. Is it when a law wants to go down to theory? Can they bring that? Do they have another law there? Do they have another David there? Do they have another Stella there? Tell me who they have of Charlotte or the guy here. Except Captain Cryers. Hey, I don't have that. Work on Friday. Man, it doesn't have to. Friday now has to Monday to Sunday. It work. Who again? About these people. Understand? Who me? Before
my brother, there is this propaganda they are just carrying there. Because I see one screenshot on their jumbotron. What they are saying here is that that screenshot is that they instructed our cabinet, and they said what they wrote in our prime minister is that we say that our prime minister is in detention.
Sorry, I have a call that I rushed to answer it. I rushed to answer it. Just that, let me not waste much of your time, okay? Because all they're saying here is gossip. We already know. But to be honest with you, I don't know that it will do this too fast. I didn't know that it will be this fast. But let's see. They understand what is going on. They somehow. I don't want to say something. I don't want to say this because I expect them to relax and change their ways, which is normal. But if they insist on acting as if they don't understand what is going on, anybody that don't wait for them to see the road for you. You can also see it by yourself. Somebody said that let me read the comment. The comment that I saw here. I love you. Good afternoon. That is from Sent. I see you. Set and Chinex. I see you. Benchi. I see you. That means you guys are mad. Okay, you're talking about because they said that she's bagging like that she's aggressive because she taking care of insane people, but these are people crying that Biafrans are bantering them, but they are known for that. Go and read Twitter, Sona Parawo's Twitter, all this while, especially from when he started saying all manner of nonsense against US. He is the one that started dragging the whole thing on social media, expecting Biafra to do what? Now, let me see if I can locate the guy they called Academic Highness. So we stop this video now. We are at 54.19 seconds, 54 minutes 19 seconds. So let me locate. I hope I will locate him. The guy they called Academic Highness. So you could hear him saying that they should go back and follow the Twitter handle that he just hacked. Listen.
When I manage the dark goat, and when it get
Wait. Just bear with me. I'm trying to locate it.
will be cut off from there. Listen, ask them which bank would that money be transferred to? You're the same bank, you're the same account that is being operated in the zoo.
So we talked about this yesterday, because the title of the video that the title of the space on and YouTube, they said no Saturday bank account for Biafran army. Trying to counter the proposal of COS on how to help and help Biafran government, Biafran army to pay them salary. They are against it. They are very, very much against it. But the truth is that you are against it for what? The reason is that which bank account are you going to use? I said something already about it yesterday. I don't know, but if you miss it, let me just touch it a bit. If you are scared, okay, about it, you are not meant to work for government. The security of our people is very, very important. Yes, I know. Tendency of tracking them through account is there. Yes, I know. Tendency of also tracking them with their phone numbers is there, right? Do they have bank account before joining army or not? Who will reveal the account number to the government? The same person that is capable of revealing the account number to the government is also capable of revealing their phone number to the government. So what are you talking about? What are you telling me? You don't use because of fear and start nursing criminality, because you have tested this idea of one man paying them money, giving them cash and all that without them having any access to the government and government authority. That is how they build this cabal that they're enjoying and they are crying about. For example, Otunwa, they mentioned him here, joined with his church mind. He did not join because he wanted to build cabal. He's not the beneficiary of the cabal. Those who are fighting against, the progress that Biafrans are making now in terms of the new cabinet and all that, are those who have been benefiting from the cabal. They want to fight. They are fighting to maintain the cabal, not because the government the cabinet is dissolved. Because that's why you see somebody who was working as one of the cabinet members telling you now that he don't have any problem with US, still working with US after removing him or her as a minister of sports. He's still in line with CS, supporting her. No, he's no more a minister, but he's at peace with the whole thing. Then what is the difference between him and Minister of Information, Minister of Finance? The difference is that some of those ones that are fighting have something that benefiting apart from being a minister, and removing them as a minister will stop that in their benefiting. That's why you see some commanders complaining, not other soldiers, so not like normal army, but commanders are the ones. So I don't want to go there, but if you know, you know. Now, hear this argument of this guy.
Elapala, We are here hammering this that now that is midnight, because it was now it's better we pursue this goat in the day than when it is in the night. All I can manage the dark goat than when it gets darker. Because when it gets darker, it means the darkness, you can never find it, you can never locate it. So our hammering, our tongue crying today is for your life, for the safety of your life, for the safety of your life. Because if you mistakenly join them, our volunteer army, when they meet you, they will never spare you. They will send you automatically to judgment.
Did you hear that? When I said, because this one I don't even hear, I don't even listen to this part yesterday. When I said the threat is, did you hear that? I have posted a post, I have shared a post of Royce threatening to send any Biafran joining the Biafran government army, apart from the army they have at the moment, that if they see you, they're not going to spare you. They will send you to judgment. A Biafran sending a fellow Biafran for fighting for Biafra that you claim that he's fighting for. A Biafra threatening to send, he's not Amio, this guy is not, maybe he's one of them, but I don't know. But threatening to send some people to judgment for fighting for Biafra. And when you turn around and ask them, okay, what is your primary objective in this your government or this your group? They will tell you they're fighting for Biafra. Then why are you sending the person to judgment? He's fighting for Biafra. Something that PM hated so much. PM hated this one. That's why PM was able to work with all the other factions of groups of Biafran movement in Biafra. Some of you don't know this. PM was able to work with everybody, all of them, apart from DOS. That DOS told Mazokano started having issue with Tompolo after Tompolo helped him to facilitate his release in 2015. The people that created this kind of hatred between Tompolo and Mazokano, allegedly, I was told that it's still the same DOS. If you are coming close to Mazokano as maybe you are from Wazurike group or from somebody Oji. Okay, what is the name of this guy called the Innocent Oji? Or Innocent Oji's group. They are still fighting for Bafra. These people make sure that they distance Mazokano from them. Whereas in terms of during the time of PM was able to work, not that they're having an issue. Everybody mind their business. Have you ever seen anywhere that Masov issued a memo against PM? Ask yourself that question. Did you see anywhere Maxwell, the one in charge of, I think, is it Navy, fighting the Bakassi Peninsula? The guy even came out in public and said that he's working with PM, that they're working together. Sometimes when you hear Black Marine and all these things, it's group of the guy, because they are working hand in hand with the PM. Another faction, PM did not attack the faction. They did not attack PM. They are working harmoniously. Very, very peaceful. No problem. Some that US did not allow to happen to Mazam American. They love that other group because other leaders, other factions understand that Mazam Khan is not the problem, but people with him. That's why till today they are all happy for Mazam Khan. They're happy with him and they are praying for his release. No faction have issue with Mazam Khan because of what? Mazam Khan did not allow himself to play that. He just allowed those guys following him to do what they're doing, but he's very, very careful the way he go about what he do with other faction. Now, these ones are threatening you now because they are the ones that choose to form their own faction now by hijacking. There's what is called coup. So if you're a coup plotter, don't expect people to just see your reason why whether you have reason or not, you have plotted the EQ, you have plotted the EQ. That's what it's called. There's no two ways about it. And you can't change the name. Threatening to buy Biafran that will answer the call that join army now is very, very funny. Before you know it, out of anger, the way they're going now, they will be picking people and slaughter. Picking and slaughter. The same thing that US did after the kidnap of American, allegedly. I was told that that's what happened. They started picking commanders. Most of you have the access to the news. I'm not the only one saying it for the first time. That is what we were told. And when you listen to them calling names of commander on radio Bafra, them, that's exactly what these guys did, where they're heading to. Do you understand it? The problem is that if you are not able to, to have Biafran support, have the backup or support of Biafrans, it's not a must that you force yourself to something that you cannot, explain. Must you actually have, must your voice be heard? Must you be listened to? Is it a must? It's not a must. So why don't you just pipe low and do your thing?
Because you have sold out, you have betrayed. So those people that are following this group initially get sense. Your life still matters to us because we want a Biafra where all of us will still meet. We are saying this because we still care. But if you refuse to heed to our words, asna wanubokubu, then so if you refuse to heed to our words, when the
because the warning is very, very clear. They are warning you now, they don't want to listen. So whatever that happened to you, blame yourself because you refuse to hear. That's what that proverb actually mean. Anyway.
They cut off the head, you join them together and end up, you know where you end up? We are not begging you. This is the last warning for your safety and for everything. And for those that have sold out, I don't want to call their names. They can be doing they call it advert in space. Their space is all about advert. Their thinking faculty is no longer working. Understand? But tomorrow, one thing that is for certain, I will fight every one of us here tomorrow. All of us here, I'm looking at all of us one by one. Tomorrow, if these idiots come here, after one prime minister comes, I will see any of us developing cold faith, trying to have pity, to accept or to give the space. That is when I'll fight every one of you. Because what we're doing now is we are jeopardizing our life to safeguard this government. And not after somebody be sold out, as in putting us in danger, we'll come back tomorrow as a repentant Biafra. If you repent, you go and wait for us. Hold your hands and wait for us. Stay in your house. Go. Let us bring it to you that you enjoy. But for you to come and if it cause another virus, I don't know what to use again. It's not going to be allowed. So Biafrans, we're going to tighten up our heart and we're going to push. We're already there. It is finished. So the last one is the declaration. No one person ever declared Biafra. You all went there, Prime Minister Hamadi, before we all went there, he said that their signatures has to be put on paper, and that makes it makes you part of people that declared Biafra. And like 517, we are all present, and they were all among the people that declared Biafra. Okoma was the one that recited it, and that was the first time everything was heard, and your signature matters, and that was why you all went there. So Ngozi coming to tell you, if this woman, all of us are Igbos or whatever, she's trying to be wiser than what she is, but it's not going to happen. We are all Biafrans, and Biafrans are well educated, and Biafrans are all wise. Thank you, that's all.
This is to say that many of you lack akonoje. Wisdom is your problem. You just said that everybody declared Biafra because of the signature and everything, right? Good. In that signature that you signed, you put the date of the signature, right? When you signed the signature is 29th of November, 2024. Then, if judging by what you said, you are the one declared Biafra. because all this thing is just a way to destroy the idea or that she's what declared Biafra. To you, you feel so pain to hear that Ngozi, whom you despise so much, is the one declared Biafra. That is all about Biafrans. Everybody signed together. And then why are you coming on social media now to tell Biafran that she's one that declared Biafra on 29 instead of 2nd of December? And you are pushing that on social media for people to hate her, that she did not respect the date that PM fixed. You push and push and push. She had no other choice than to come out and explain herself why she declared Biafra, why Biafra was being declared on 29. You say that she's not the one that declared Biafra. Then you come out in public to tell Biafrans that she declared Biafra 29. Even your prime minister, your own country prime minister, went on that podium and said that what is he going to tell Mike? I don't know, Mike is one of the congressmen in US. That he told Mike that he's going to Finland, that they are going there to declare Biafra. So now that you guys say that the Biafra is being declared on 29, what is he going to tell Mike when he go back to US? So it's all about what a white man said, not what you yourself say. Trying to bring that what they call this neocolonialism idea, like have to subject yourself to white people for you to become somebody. Literally, that's what we are preaching. But if you have to dwell on that, we see more reasons that may not even end well. Do you understand? But let us not touch it. You claim that she declared Biafra on 29th. Then you said that Biafra should have the best time to declare it on 2nd. She gave reasons, security reasons. Biafra said, yeah, that she's right. Even though that, let's assume that reason is not good enough for you. Did we lose anything that Biafra was declared on 29? Or that Biafra did not declare it on 2nd? What is the benefit? When they declare Biafra, how does it really matter? If it don't matter anything, then why are you bringing it in public to use that to confuse people? Knowing the fact that you claim that she's not the one that declared Biafra, that all of you that signed are not declared, right? Fine. You are singing praise of Okoma because Okoma is today in your camp. That's why you want to paint it as if that he's the one that said it for the first time. So are you saying that nobody knows that Biafra will be declared that day, and all of a sudden Okoma said this, therefore he's the one to declare Biafra? So what did you go there to do? Was it not to declare Biafra? Was it not to declare Biafra? Do you understand it? But they're doing it, they're saying it as if, declaring Biafra is something that everybody join hands together and do. And by so doing, it's all about we, not anybody. I don't know if you are following what I'm saying. So everything about these people is a way of, they are looking for a way to tarnish the image of CS. They are looking for a way to prove that she's nothing, she's worthless. Why they are the one that worth a lot. How can you bring that kind of idea? It is very, very funny. Very, very, very funny. Now, listen to this.
I have for now. Thank you. May God bless us all.
God bless you too, Brian. Hey, thank you for the doctor. Thank you so much. Okay, if I do want to go before mid-bridge, no, that mid-bridge is here. Mid-bridge, go ahead.
Yeah, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, good night, friends and well wishes, lovers of freedom, good bees at all this. I greet all of you in this time around.
Please listen to this very guy. He is the one called himself Academic Highness, the well-known hacker. Listen to him because he's the one that announced it here that they have retrieved their Twitter handle, where to him they need to start their group should go and start following the group and that handle and all that. Just pay attention, okay? Just pay attention.
Just as you know, today is the epiphany of our Lord. That is the first son of Chukwuka Biama, Yahweh Yeshua. And according to constitutional doctrinibus, the epiphany represents the presentation of gifts. And in vulgar practices in the Republic of Pontius Pilate, it means when you will collect all your properties belonging to the old system into the new system. If anybody is holding your property, or government property, you have the imprimatur and the prerogative, the right, absolutus, to collect it and put in the struggle. Having said that, I salute everyone here present, especially our amiable Minister of Information and Digital Technology, Communication Inclusive, Honorable Sonny Aprawa. I salute Honorable Nkere.
So Nkere,
I salute.
So this lady called Nkere is one of the hackers, and he will come on my comment section to comment comment garbage. You are a hacker. Did you see how he introduced Sonny Parawa? Digital whatever. These are building profile, and to them they are very, very intelligent to hack accounts. Sometimes he claimed that somebody trying to hack his account and all that. Who knows? It could be his colleagues. Because here, you can hear what the man said, that when somebody take something that does not belong to government, that they have a right to take it back and put it back in the government. Bragging on how you hack, what right do you have? This man don't hold any post to. As best of my knowledge, I don't know if he hold any, but we are commenting from public. We are commenting outside the group. That's what I mean by public. We are not a cabinet member, but at least we can see what I'm not aware of any position that this guy is managing. Not at all.
Of MIDPRGIE. I salute Honorable David Nana. Thank you, the symbol of Biafra Liberation Army on the space. I salute likewise Honorable Brian Will. Honorable Parents. That is our Igodomigodo sister, the Ugegbe voice of the universe, the thunderous voice. I salute Mercy 334. I salute the Biafran with Iru Simon Ekba. I salute Honorable Information. I salute a man that comes from between two moons. Honorable 555 Vision. I salute Simon Ekba, His Excellency. I salute Honorable Mr. Joe. All of us are honorable. Hence you are in this particular group. Those that makes use of their cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata, in the sense that it reflects to what Nnamdi Kanu said, that when it becomes tough, we have to go back to mental toughness and strength, not to the power of emotion or any behavior that will lead you to irrationality. I salute likewise freedom. Yes, vegan. Yes, Honorable Chima O. I salute Okucho, Honorable. I salute Honorable E. Cyprian, Honorable. Code at Honorable. I salute all the honorable members here present. Honorable Sister Stella, where is Binofia? Make you ask about him because this new year, all those strong guys supposed to be very, very close to what we're doing. I salute everybody here present. Today, I wanted just to say something very, very important because for us, apart from the fact that the Janjaweed is currently occupying our land in the manner that it's supposed not to, because this time around they're supposed to be running away in very, very sequential order. But they are occupying our land because of the aid from the Bao groups. You see, a call is coming to my phone. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. I just hope can you still hear me?
Loud and clear.
Can you still hear me?
Yes.
Okay, because a call was coming. I wanted to give a kind of little suggestion to the way we should be behaving so that, we will correct some of these people that are being misled by this Bao woman. As it is, let me put it in this way. We have to be professional teachers. When they come with emotion, we have to calm down and teach them. Privately I'm saying.
The only thing this guy can teach you is how to hack. Hacking. All this thing that he's saying here is here to celebrate that finally we hack one of the accounts that belong to government, to ourselves. Who built country or government by hacking? And they will sit on around to tell you, go and tell COS to start his own group. If you are to share, let us zoom.
Because
I thought I paused it. Okay. If you are to share, something in Biafran government, for example, between Nkere, COS, and all of these people, who will take first? Based on the hierarchy of authority and power, according to the former structure before the cabinet was dissolved. COS, finance minister, and information minister, who will go first? Who will go first? Some of you don't understand what these people are saying or what they're doing, because I know that many of you have you don't want to talk about anything because she's a woman. That's your own problem. And Obaka, I see your comment. CCC, Obaka, I see you. Thank you for your comment. And Bafra only know that the person that declared Bafra is in-Exile. And Firstborn is here. I greet you, my brother. Nice to have you. And one of us, Antonio Medje, I greet you from Chile. Nice to have you, my brother. Thank you for your time. So we are here to celebrate with the chief hacker who hack account. You are proud of that. It's very, very unfortunate. And all this thing that is going on now is not supposed to be like that, but they have made it to be that way. They have made it to be that way. I think I lost the browser. Let me restore it back. Everything they're doing is questionable, and they're proud of it. Very, very much proud of it. I don't know why people don't have shame. You don't have shame. Is that how you build your country? Is that what you think that will give you freedom? That is the best thing you think that you can do. Anyway, let me restore the just a moment. Please, I would like you to click on the like button if you have not. Like the video. Some of them are running away from this platform because I did not hide or pretend that everything they're saying is true. If I pretend now, that will make me a good Biafran. I'll become a good Biafran, right?
Followed these traitors because of emotion. And our leader said we should not use emotion, but we should make use of reasoning. What I'm telling you is exactly what we encounter on daily basis. Now, by the time they agitated, cursing us, calling us criminals and whatever, criminal, did I steal your property? No. You tell them.
Somebody that just hacked account is asking you, did I steal your property? You just hacked account. You are now you are not asking, did I steal anything from you? Oh my goodness. Anyway, I don't know what you call that, but it is not the way it's supposed to be. It is not the way it's supposed to be. And let us continue.
For example, what is the correlation between criminality and what we're saying? What have I stolen from you? By the time we teach that person up to three paragraphs, that person will go back and have a rethink. Having said that, not that we don't know it, but if we didn't hold ourselves, we cannot convert them mentally. Having said that, I would like us to, because there is something that happened today. Finally, you see that Twitter handle, Ministry of Defense. Please go and follow it. The Ministry of Defense belongs to BRGIE, and it has been retrieved. Because these people don't know what...
Did you hear that? This is the Ministry of Defense Twitter handle. He hacked it, and he's here bragging that Ministry of Defense Twitter handle has been retrieved. When you hear retrieved, you think that they negotiate or discuss. No, he used hacking to hack that. He used hacking. It's all about threatening. As I'm talking to you now, this is Commander Royce. 4 minutes ago, he made a video, he made a post warning COS not to use picture of, not his picture, he said picture of my men. Anyway, let me don't use the video of my men. Let's continue.
They're doing. They don't know what they're doing. Whatever we're doing is based on law. And that is what is going to save us in this trouble. Already, our lobbyist has already told us that everything starts from the law, and you know that BRGI started from the law, the Helsinki Charter, and it will end, and it will be resolved through the same law. That's why Jesus Christ said, and the Reverend Fathers continue saying it, the good ones, through him, with him, in him, per Christo, in Christo, and in Christo. So as we started, so shall we end. We started by law, we will win by law, and we will end positively by law. Not by hearsay, not by SMS, but it is by the law. By the time people don't abide by the law, they will be making all these mistakes, because I have confronted most of these people. They always say the same thing.
Now,
if they say that PM said...
Now, this is the confirmation. This Twitter handle called Presence AG, as of yesterday, being January 6, 2025, made a post and said, fraud alert. I don't know if you can see this. Okay. So she made this post called, she said, fraud alert, Biafrans. the Secretary of Defense official S-handle has been hijacked. The word should be by hacked, not hijack. Maybe hijack here, but to me, I prefer use hack. Hijacked by Mazi. No, this guy, you don't call a hacker a Mazi. A Mazi is for honorable people. By Anthony Wanebike Wiboko, aka His Academic Highness. That's the guy that is hearing his voice now. A member of Defense Department whom have now alleged with Nkere. Okay? He's working with Defense Department. Now I know his position in the Biafra government. Defense Department, okay? Who is now working with Nkere and his cohorts. This was an act of sabotage. Biafrans and followers should immediately stop following that account because the government no longer has control of the handle. Solomon Wokocha is the one that made this post. That is chief of defense staff. You know, so this account, I'm going to post it. Let me go there. Let me open the account so that any of you following the, I don't follow it anyway. If you are following it, distance yourself from that. Let me screenshot it because what they are doing, what they're trying to do, is the same way they hack the commanders that everybody is calling about. This is the same way. This is the same way, which is very, very unfortunate because I thought everybody are working unanimously, but it is not obvious that is not that is different from what is happening. So my people, this is my aim of starting this live broadcast to read this thing for you and allow the guy to say what he said. The rest of the program they had is all about gossiping, complaining on how life has been as a new country of Nkere. They are struggling that, you know, it's a problem, which I keep on saying. They need to wave that kind of imagination away from them, from their mind, and see how they can work together. But they are busy threatening, bragging and bragging. So it's nobody's fault. So my people, thank you so much for your time, and please subscribe to the channel if you have not. Like this video. God bless you. I'll see you again. Bye-bye for now. You know, I told us that I would put a number for you to call, but I don't think that anybody wants to say anything because the chat is quite slow. The chat is not, you know, I don't see the vibe. Okay, so but if you want to if you want to call and contribute anything, let me give 2 minutes. Okay, if you want to call, then you can call in before I end the program. But I wanted to end it, but since I have made mention that I'm gonna put number at the beginning of the program, let me give the benefit of that. Just put your comment and say that you want to come in, then I'll put the number immediately. Okay, thank you.
This person should be surrogate through SMS. So be it. No, that is not it. That is not it. Before PM went there.
Now listen. Let me tell you what he said here. Let me take it back a bit for you to know, because he just confirmed something that we that from outside are looking for confirmation. He just confirmed it. Nah. Listen.
SMS.
No. Start from here. Okay, let's hear from.
What is going to save us in this struggle?
Okay.
Already, our lobbyist has already told us that everything starts from the law, and you know that PRGI started from the law, the Helsinki Charter, and it will end, and it will be resolved through the same law. That's why Jesus Christ said, and the Reverend Fathers continue saying it, the good ones, through him, with him, in him, per Christo, in Christo, and in Christo. So as we started, so shall we end. We started by law, we will win by law, and we will end positively by law. Not by hearsay, not by SMS, but it is by the law. By the time people don't abide by the law, they will be making all these mistakes, because I have confronted most of these people. They always say the same thing. If they said that PM said this person should be surrogate through SMS, so be it. No, that is not it. That is not it.
Now,
Before
this is their disagreement. What irritates them so much when COS said that PM told me to take over. This is what PM said. She did not cook up that story. He just confirmed it to you that because the story goes that PM sent SMS to one of the, I don't know if it's his wife or lawyer, but someone in Finland that they themselves know. They can confirm with from the person. It's not as if COS brought a message to them. PM is the one that messaged and said, this lady should take over, give her chance to until I come. Then that message was passed to all of them. Here, he's telling you no. The same no they says in secret is what he's telling you in public now. No. Do you understand it? So it's not a cooked up story. It is a reality that they refused to work with COS despite hearing from PM that PM is the one that said that she take over. That is why when they said who elected her, on whose power, whose authority is she operating with? They did not tell you that we got a message, but we don't believe SMS. Then if you want to believe, since you want structure, in structure, Chief of Staff and Finance Minister and Minister of Information, who is more superior? If you can, they don't want to answer that question. Who is more superior? Chief of Staffs, not Chief of Staff, Chief of Staffs. Who are the staffs of government? Cabinets. Anyway, I did not see any comment that anybody want to call. So therefore, see you again and God bless you all. Thank you.